what's been on my mind. Sick and tired of the 9 to 5 in the city life. Hey darling, we could get out of town, see the beautiful world around, wanna see it now. Pack our bags and get in that car, leave a little note and we'll drive real far. Let's get out, we can leave this city. Let's drive to the open air. Yeah, the countryside is so pretty, with the wind blowing in your hair. We can look back someday. Baby, don't you understand that we only get one life? I wanna make it count, honey. Come on now and take my hand. Hey darling, I love it when it's me and you on the road with a couple of tunes in a car for two. Hey darling.
Hey guys, it's January 1st. Happy New Year. Don't have much planned for today. I might go home and clean up a little bit. We are going to my mom's for supper again tonight for New Year's Day supper. And yeah, all I ate today was a banana and clementine. So I'm starving. Miserable rainy day. I don't know if you can hear the rain. My car is saying 5.5 degrees. It just feels colder because it's so damp outside, but no snow, just rain. I feel like these vlogs may get very repetitive and very boring. And if you find them very, very boring, let me know down below. But I really want to try the vlogging everyday thing and see if I can do it. But I'm just going to make my way home, and I'm going to have a little bite to eat, I think, before I go over to mom's. Just a little snack. So I'll catch up with you in a little bit. Okay, it's 25 to 5. Seamus is in the shower, and then as soon as he gets out, we're probably gonna go to my mom's. I don't know how to turn this TV off. Oh. So I'm going to feed Chippy, and then we're gonna go over to mom's. Chip comes with us in the car. So I think for supper at mom's, we're having steak and I'm not sure what with it, but I'll show you when we get there. Okay. from mom and dad's. I don't know how much I filmed today, but I'm gonna end the vlog here because I have to go and edit it and upload it tonight. So if you enjoyed this video, give it a big thumbs up, scroll down to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any new videos from me. Thanks for watching.